The Great Lantern March of 1847. In the year 1847, in the small town of Glenshire, England, a peaceful protest changed the future of workers' rights. This event is now known as the Great Lantern March. At that time, many factory workers, including children, worked for 14 hours a day in dark and dangerous places. They had no breaks, little food, and very low pay. People were tired and unhappy, but they were also afraid to speak up. One cold night in November, a young girl named Clara Dawson, only 12 years old, walked out of the factory holding a lantern. She said, "We work in the dark, so let them see our light." Her simple words touched the hearts of many people. Soon, hundreds of workers joined her. They walked through the streets of Glenshire, holding lanterns high. They didn't shout or fight. They just walked in silence, showing their light. People from nearby villages came to watch and later joined the peaceful march. The news of the Lantern March spread across the country. Newspapers called Clara the girl with the golden light. Parliament heard about it, and in the following year a new law was passed. It limited work hours for children and improved safety in factories. Today, every year on November 14th, people in Glenshire light lanterns and walk through the town to remember the courage of Clara Dawson and the workers who walked for change.